Take that, you candies. Oh, oop, crushed. Oh, a new record.
Professor, are you okay?
For some reason, I can't move my neck.
I couldn't help noticing you've been looking down at your phone for a while.
Well, these games can be quite engrossing, you know.
You may not realize this, but the average person uses their smartphone 2 to 4 hours per day. They don't realize looking down is hard on the spine and can be damaging.
Oh, damaging. Don't be so dramatic. It's just, stupid candy.
Yes, it's damaging. The average head weighs about 12 pounds. If you move to look down as little as 15 degrees, the weight on your spine is now 27 pounds.
27 pounds? That's pretty heavy.
Another way to look at it is for every inch your head moves forward, the pressure on your spine doubles. In fact, Dr. Kenneth Hansrosh published in the National Library of Medicine that this forward pressure, or text neck, can lead to early wear and tear on the spine and degeneration of the cartilage and could even require surgery.
Surgery?
Also, this forward posture is linked to headaches, neurological issues, and decreased lung capacity as your shoulders round forward.
Well, what can I do?
We find that once we get your pain to settle down, some modifications of your posture while using your smartphone can help you avoid repeating the problem. But first, we have to reverse the damage you've done by stretching out the ligaments and muscles of your upper back and neck. You want to give it a try?
I don't know. Will it hurt?
Not usually. Most people find it enjoyable.
Well, okay then. I really can't take this pain anymore. Maybe I get an Uber.
Here's how you can help yourself avoid getting text neck. It really is very simple. Sit up straight and stop looking down at your phone. Hold your phone up higher at eye level so it's even with your eyes. Go ahead, try it.
Thanks for the advice, Doctor. My neck feels much better now.
Anytime, Hans. I'm glad we could help you. Now, maybe you could lay off the Candy Crush for a while.
Oh, I'm done with that. I found something new.
What is it?
Tinder.
If you suffer from text neck or any neck and shoulder pain, stop into Carolina ChiroCare and Rehab. We can help relieve your pain and show you exercises to reverse your text neck damage.